Australia. World-renowned beaches, stunning cities, and a serious demand for doctors. Hi everyone, welcome back to CoachMinister, your career partner in medicine. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can become a doctor in Australia as an international medical graduate or IMG. Whether you're a fresh graduate, someone with years of experience, or even a specialist, this video has something for you. So stay with me till the end. Let's start with the big question. Why Australia? Australia offers excellent salary packages, shorter and flexible working hours, and a world-class healthcare system, and more importantly, better work-life balance. According to Australia's Department of Health, there is a consistent shortage of doctors in regional areas. So if you're an international medical graduate, your skills are truly in demand. If you want to know more about why Australia, you should watch our previous video. The link is in the description. Now let's talk about the most important part, the pathways through which you can enter the Australian healthcare system as a doctor. There are four main pathways for international medical graduates. Standard pathway for most general practitioners. Competent authority pathway for doctors from certain approved countries. Specialist pathway for experienced specialists. Short-term training pathway for doctors looking for training exposure. Don't worry, I'll explain each one clearly so you can choose what fits you the best. The standard pathway is the most common route for Indian doctors and many international medical graduates. You'll need to pass two major exams conducted by the Australian Medical Council or AMC. Step 1 AMC MCQ exam. 150 multiple choice questions, computer based, covers medicine, surgery, psychiatry and more. Step 2 AMC clinical exam. 16 objective structured clinical examination style stations, realistic clinical scenarios, each last 8 minutes. Test communication, diagnosis, treatment and ethics. Once you pass both of these exams and complete 12 months of supervised practice, you are eligible for general registration under AHPRA. Don't worry, we'll be covering both of these exams and the AHPRA process in detail in our upcoming videos, so consider subscribing us. Next is the competent authority pathway. If you've already cleared certain international licensing exams, you may not need to give AMC exams. Eligible authorities include UK's PLAB 1 and 2, US Assembly Step 1 and 2, Canada's MCCQE Part 1, Ireland and New Zealand's training systems. If you are eligible, you just need to complete 12 months of supervised practice in Australia, then you are eligible for general registration. This is a fast-track option if you already hold recognized credentials. Now let's talk about the specialist pathway for those who have already completed postgraduate or specialty training in their home country. You'll need to apply to a relevant Australian medical college like Royal Australian College of Surgeons, get assessed for compatibility to Australian training, possibly do a period of supervised practice or exams. There's also a sub-pathway called Area of Need, where you can work in underserved regions while being assessed. This path is ideal for doctors who already have years of experience in a specialty. Next, we will talk about short-term training pathway. This pathway is for international medical graduates who want to gain up to 2 years of clinical experience in Australia without pursuing permanent registration. Requirements: college level approvals of Royal Australian College of Physicians or Royal Australian College of General Practitioners, approved supervised placements, temporary training visa. This pathway does not lead to general registration. Important note, this pathway does not lead to general registration. It's for learning and exposure only. Once you have cleared the required exams and training, the next step is applying for registration and a work visa. Registration is handled by AHPRA. You must show English proficiency, IELTS or OET, document verification via EPIC or EICS. Visa options include 482 temporary skill shortage visa or 186 employer sponsored permanent visa. Also remember about Medicare provider restrictions and 10-year moratorium, which means new international medical graduates must initially work in regionals or underserved areas. And that's it for the video guys. I hope you liked it and found it informative, and if you did, please press that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content ahead. In the upcoming videos, we'll be talking in detail about the AMC exam, so please subscribe for more.